And when you log in, normally we click apply for work. Yeah, because now I'm doing a QA job now, so it's in my working page. But usually when you first time log in, you should click apply for work.
Okay.
This is one I'm doing, and I just want to show you how this worked. When we go inside the page, this is the working page, and you can see, you can understand the Kannada language, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see these are Kannada characters.
Okay.
And this is the audio bar. When you click the text, it will play
segment one.
Yes, it will play automatically.
Yeah,
And
okay.
she said how do if I'm not wrong, how do. And if she said another word, but she didn't put the correct word, like I just put an example in English, just in English. Let's pretend she said my name is Chris, but she has put my name is David, but the audio says my name is Chris. Then we need to correct it in Chris. Or listen to the audio and correct the text. And you can see here is a space before the punctuation. We need to delete that and click save. This sentence is, she said 2 times how do, so this text is correct. We don't have to change anything. And then we can go to the next text. For here, you can see there has valid and invalid. Valid means there have text in the audio. Invalid means there is silence time in the audio. You can see there is a silence time, but didn't say anything. And we just do the QA for the valid sentence.
Yes.
Can you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you can see here is the area you can editing the text. Then here, when you finish editing one text, you need to click save and go to the next sentence. And you can here you can see there is a SPK tag. Here are some tags, and you can see this part is the model words of the Kannada characters like o. When the speaker said this word, but I don't understand well what's this meaning. But I know this model words. For example, in this sentence, at the beginning of the sentence, how is this pronounced in Canada? This word.
Actually, I'm not Kannada. my language is Telugu, but I have team for Kannada.
Yeah. Okay. But let's
pretend
this word. Yes. Okay. Let's pretend this word is are. Is are. Is a modal word. If the speaker here says are, you can put are here and how do. Then click save. It will automatically add here.
Is modular word, we need to tag it.
Yes. When you tag the modal word. And this tag is the noise tag. When it happens some noise, when you put it. When you put your mouse here, it will show this explanation of this tag. You can see SPK means the noises made by the speaker. That part of the prompt text. You can see is if cough, grunt, throat clear, tongue click, loud breath, laugh. You can understand that these noises are made by the human. I mean, or ha ha ha. These are made by noises made by a human. When it happens, maybe this word before this word, I have a tough. Then we need put SPK here and click save. Maybe I love here, ha ha ha, and I need click speaker here, SPK here, and click save. Can you understand this one?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay.
Okay, one more thing I want to ask is here. Like, if I'm saying like, my name is Jyoti, like this. Okay. So
Yes,
first
you
we
need to
need to.
put my name is you speak
Okay.
and
Yeah, got it.
David this
Got it.
David.
Got it.
Okay.
Yeah, got it.
Okay. Where it happens the noise, you put the tag there. When it happens here, you tag here. When it happens in the end, you tag it in here.
Okay.
Okay. And the second one, NON means non-human noise. For example, the phone ringing and knock the door. These are non-human noise. When she is saying this word, hold and then happened.
Yes.
Then we need put NON here.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. This are easy to understand, this tag.
Yes.
And this tag is used for the
Unintelligible
word that
speech.
cannot transcribed. Maybe some word is an incomplete word. It's a half of the word, but it can't be transcribed. Then we use this tag to instead of the word.
Okay.
I'm thinking an example.
Is any word like we cannot hear properly?
Yes. Any word you can't text it, you just use this tag to instead of it. And the next one is the noise of other human, because normally this audio has only the sound of just only one person is saying.
Okay. One speaker.
But here is another people saying. You need to put this NPS here.
Okay. Got it.
And this STA tag we use, we don't use this tag because this tag is only for the background is very, very noisy, like in the restaurant. Like there is a big noise outside of the window, but in this project, the recording is doing in the quiet environment. So usually we don't use this tag.
Okay.
This tag is only used for very loud noise in the background,
Okay.
but it's impossible for this project.
Got it.
Okay, another two S and Z tags used for the invalid sentence. S means silence. Z means there has noise, but it's meaningful. It doesn't mean anything. For example, there is a segment only have a cough.
Okay.
Then
Means
use
only
Z tag.
noise is there. There is no speech.
No speech. But usually we don't have to change the invalid segments because the invalid segments already divided in the proper way. But we can find this example. There is a segment only have a SPK tag. We can listen it. She only said in these sentences.
Okay.
It doesn't mean anything. So you can click invalid and select the Z tag and click save. Can you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Yes, because this doesn't means anything, and but it has sound, has a noise, so you can't use the Z tag. You can't use the S tag. You need to use the Z tag. S tag
Yes, yes.
only used for the very silence part. No speech. Nothing in the background. So this one you need to use the Z tag. So in this case, you can see the transcriber has put the wrong tag in this task. He should use the invalid tag instead of this SPK tag, because this is not laugh or cough.
Yes.
And then you can then check all the sentences where has the text. And here is a wrong example. You can see he put a SPK tag here, but you can listen this audio. It's not a noise, it's a model word. So he need delete this SPK and choose on tag and click save.
Okay.
Can you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. And when you finish checking the last sentences, you can click here, submit for this task. And then this task is finished and you can apply for another task.
Chris, one more
And
thing. Can you please
yes.
Can you please explain the option next to Z?
This
next. Yeah.
this one. I missed this one. For example, there are some words that cannot write in the Kannada or Malayalam characters. It should
Okay.
must be in English. For example, film, this word. Maybe there is no this word in the Indian language. So when you write it in English, must write it in English. Then they use this en tag. You can see when you click film and select this film and put the en tag, it will add. This tag means this word is in English.
Yeah, got it.
Just this use. And when
Means
you find
first we transcribe
first
the word in English, then we have to select the text and click the en option, en tag.
Yes. When there is any English word, you must use this tag. Cannot just write the English word as this way. Must use this tag. And one more thing, all the first letters need to write in lowercase. Do not write in here in uppercase. And just one thing, if you need to write in uppercase, that is a proper word. Maybe you need to test Tesla or China, for example.
Country name or any
or
person name, anything.
Yes, name or the country of the name of the country or the or Starbucks, etc. Just for example, you need to write in uppercase. Any other words, just write in lowercase. Yes. Even if it's the start of the sentences, just keep in lowercase.
Sure.
Okay, you can understand.
And one more thing, like if we use the short forms in recording, like ATM or SBI, like this, or FIR. So can we use the uppercase?
I don't understand. Can you repeat
Like
again?
short form can we are
Short form,
using
like
yes,
for your information, in this way.
FBI, like
Yes, this way you should put it as this way. F with the space and Y and I and then use EN tag.
okay, it's space we have to write. Okay.
Or if the letters are spelled, means maybe for a very easy example, KFC, you
Yes.
need to write it as in this way. We need
Yes.
it write it in uppercase and put the space in the middle.
Sure.
OBBC in this way. Put the EN tag first and put the space in the letters, between the letters.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Any other questions? And here is an error, it's a mistake. Before the punctuation, there should not have a space, so delete it and click save.
Before and after both, right?
Before, just see here, look here. Here is correct, and the next sentence before has a space, so we need delete it and click save.
Okay.
And let's listen this tag here. Another it doesn't mean anything, and we click it as they and
yes.
invalid.
See.
Yes, and click save. Because we can't use only a SPK tag here. Then this sentence should be invalid.
Okay. One more thing, like if any, yes, if any segment consists only like cuffing, no speech is there. So at that time, we only use Z tag, right? Because we are using, because there is no speech in the segment.
In the segment, if there is no speech but has another noise, use Z tag. If there is no speech and nothing in the background, is totally silence, use Z tag. But usually, we don't have to correct this invalid. Only you can when only you see this tag is not normal because you can see all the valid sentence have text, but this one don't have. This one only have text. It doesn't have text. You can see. So when this happens, you need to hear it. If it's only the doesn't mean anything, then click invalid and change this tag to the and click save. But usually we don't change the invalid sentence. We only correct the valid sentence.
Okay, that means no need to listen, no need to check the invalid part. Only need to check the other tags.
Yeah. No need to check the invalid sentence. Only check the where has text. But one situation you need to check the invalid sentence is like just before. If one valid sentence only have a tag, maybe a SPK tag or NON tag, you need to listen if there is something you can transcribe or you just need to put in the invalid. One more thing I need to say, because this is a quality check, this is QA tasks. So that means here has the transcriber who has done this task. Some transcriber has done very good, perfectly. Maybe you don't, in this one task, you don't have any errors to correct. Just check everything is okay and click submit is okay. But it happens also, there have transcribers has do a bad work. I mean, maybe she just transcribed half of the sentence, then she clicks save. This is not okay. when you find if there is in the task there has big problems or more than 3 errors in this task, you can click rework. This rework means you need this task will be reworked by the transcriber.
Or if we send any file for rework, so is there any place to mention the feedback?
Yeah. You can when you click rework,
yeah,
and here's a message. Do you want to rework this task? Click OK, and here
yes.
you can put the description, rework advice. Maybe you can say sentence. You can recheck sentence number 5. There is a text that doesn't match the audio, or you can't put this tag in this segments.
Okay.
But if there is only small errors or just less than 3 errors, I suggest the QA just correct for the transcriber and then click submit. Because if the transcriber has done the rework, the task will back to your account and you need to check it again.
Yes, I understand.
Okay. Any other questions?
No, just one last question. Can I have this guidelines, please? The transcription guidelines?
Yes, I will give you a Word, a file.
Yeah, sure.
One more thing I want to say. The most important thing is the text need to match the audio. For example, if the audio say, my name is Chris. The audio says 3 times Chris, then the transcriber need write Chris in 3 times. You know what I mean?
Yes, I understand. Transcription is like this one.
Okay.
That's and all. One more thing, just one thing I want to ask, like, what about the like flurry words, like or like this?
You can use this tag to instead of it.
Okay.
That this word cannot to
yes, we cannot transcribe some words.
So use this tag, but usually we don't use tag. Use this tag. We just try to transcribe all the words. Okay. Any other questions?
No. Thank you so much for the.
Okay, I will send you a file for the guideline, and I will give you ID, and you can let your team try one QA first.
Sure.
And tell me if they have any questions. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, let's finish this meeting. Thanks.